Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Auto Fast. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated throwbacks with a modern twist, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ-40 pickup. This is not just a vehicle, it's a revival of a legend, blending rugged off-road heritage with contemporary performance and technology. But before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, so you never miss an upload from The Auto Fast. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ-40 pickup pays tribute to the classic FJ-40 that made waves back in the day for its go-anywhere capability and tough-as-nails build. Toyota has now reimagined this icon for a whole new generation, keeping the retro DNA alive while giving it the updates necessary to thrive in today's world. Transmission-wise, it's likely going to have a 10-speed automatic, but we're all hoping Toyota blesses enthusiasts with a manual option, even if only in limited models. Naturally, it comes with full time for WD, locking differentials, low-range gearing, and advanced off-road software like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a trail camera system. Now, step inside and you'll find a cabin that strikes a balance between rugged and refined. The dashboard takes cues from the original FJ's minimalistic design but includes all the modern essentials. Expect a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital driver display, and USB-C charging ports throughout. The materials are durable, perfect for muddy boots and dusty trails but still comfortable enough for daily driving. Customization is a big part of the FJ-40 pickup's appeal. Toyota will likely offer a wide range of factory and TRD accessories: roof racks, lift kits, beadlock wheels, off-road tires, rock sliders, and even color options that reflect the vintage look, including the iconic beige, sky blue, olive green, and sandstorm finish. As for pricing, while official numbers haven't been confirmed, the FJ-40 pickup is expected to start around $45,000, with well-equipped or TRD versions climbing closer to $60,000 or more. That positions it right alongside rivals like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Gladiator. But with Toyota's legendary reliability and that nostalgic edge, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ-40 pickup is more than just a cool truck. It's a statement. It's for people who want something different, something with history, and something built to explore. It brings classic charm into the modern age, and it's bound to attract both collectors and adventurers alike. So what do you think? Would you take the FJ-40 pickup off the beaten path? Or would it be your go-to city cruiser with trail cred? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Auto Fast for more automotive deep dives, retro revivals, and futuristic rides. See you in the next video.